Nature's Gold. It seems so desolate a time of year, when all the greening of this vibrant life, as leaves and flowers of the vales appear, in an instant gone by death's relentless knife. Yet spring in open hearts arrives again, and showers the soul with beauty and with bliss. The locked and frozen minds of mortal men, astounded, are touched by an eternal kiss. And we who seek to find the world made new must face the first inevitable change within, this daunting trek that only few can climb above the mountain's awesome range. Release the hidden founts of nature's gold, hidden from those who sadly have grown old.